Alright, let's see what's inside. Jerome Lamar's here. Looks pretty cool. I have a feeling the lume on this is pretty stellar. First impressions, I'm pretty happy with it.
Okay, so this is an aviation style watch. It looks like the dial has a nice textured finish, engraving, 3D engraving on the back. So that is awesome, aeromat. The case construction seems very solid.
Ooh, Pepsi. And thank you, WatchGang, again. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. It's so much fun getting these every month.
And today I'm excited to showcase for the first time an unboxing of my very first WatchGang watch. So excited about this. Here it is, guys. Wow, this looks gorgeous to me. I mean, part of the reasons why I'm doing this WatchGang thing is to learn more about watches, and look at this, it just looks gorgeous to me. Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
Lamar's. Zoom in on that one. Double band too. I really like this. It's actually a really nice watch. It's my first watch, man. I'm really impressed. I really like it. Jerome Lamar. Really happy with my first watch from WatchGang.
This is my third month of being a WatchGang subscriber. I was very happy with the first two boxes. It is a Jerome Lamar's. Oh, that is nice. That is a beautiful piece. Join the club.
And we have a leather band, Japanese movements, 5 atmospheres. It's pretty solid right there. That is beautiful, very smooth. I like the soft leather on that band.
Decent smelling leather too. Usually you don't get to use their hand stitched leather.